everyone, today we are going to see about abbreviations in typewriting. So A. At is for at. ABV dot is above. ABT is about. A bar C is account. ACCTT dot is accountant. ADDL is additional. ADMN is admiration. ADVT is advertisement. AGRI is agriculture. AMT is amount. APL is April. APPLN is application. AAST is assistant. ATTN is attention. AUG is August. A.G. is accountant general. This is mostly given in a government letter. B. BCE is for balance. BD is board. BK is book or bank. BLDGS is buildings. BRO is brothers. BN is bean. BUS is S dot is business. And C for CBE for Coimbatore. CH dot is chief. CO dot is company. COLLRS is collectors. COMMN is communism. And DEC is December. DEPT is department. DEV dot is development. DIR dot is director. DIS is discount. DIST is district. DT is district or dater. DR is director, doctor or debtor. DUR is during. D dot A is dearness allowance. D bar S is dear sir. DY is deputy. So thank you.